I'll revise the points again and we will continue with some simple things but important. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits. As far as the electrons revolve in these orbits, they neither absorb energy, neither radiate energy, and hence the energy is constant. The orbits are called stationary orbits. When the electron jumps from the lower to higher orbit, energy is absorbed. When the electron jumps from higher to lower orbits, energy is liberated. When the energy is absorbed or liberated, the frequency of that energy is given by nu is equal to delta E upon H. Delta E is the difference between the energies of the orbits. E2 is the energy of the higher orbit and E1 is the energy of the lower orbit. H is Planck's constant. Electrons revolve without radiating energy only because the angular momentum of the electron is an integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. That is the reason that the electrons revolve without radiating energy. Next, some points you want to remember, students. By heart them properly. You know, it is noted that to calculate the radius for hydrogen atom, for hydrogen, ह्याचे सगळे डिटेल्स तुम्हाला 12th ला येतात. For hydrogen atom, the radius is calculated by using the formula R is equal to A naught into n square, where n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, ... where n is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is orbit number, that is first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit and all that, and it is called, very important, principal quantum number. And what about A naught? A naught is a constant whose value is 52.9 picometer. Pico बोले तो क्या? 1 pm is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Are you okay? So what is A naught here? It's a constant whose value is 52.9 picometer. This is the formula to calculate the radius of any orbit. ठीक है? Now you may ask me, teacher, बड़े atoms like for example other than hydrogen, if the atom is helium, lithium and all that, how to calculate? We use the formula as no change in A naught and no change in n square. You divide it by Z. Now what is Z? Z is the atomic number. Now what is atomic number? Number of protons, which is also equal to the number of electrons. That's it. Are you okay? Finish. Job is over. Means for hydrogen atom, tell me. For hydrogen atom, what will be the radius? 52.9 into 10 raised to minus 12. N is 1. Principal quantum. कारण हायड्रोजन ॲटम मध्ये असतो किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स म्हणून? ओनली 1. मग तो फिरून फिरून कुठे फिरणार? फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट. दॅट्स इट. Z atomic number is 1. So what is the value of R? 52.9 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Are you okay? That is how you calculate the radius precisely. And you observe that as the, see here, see this expression. R is inversely proportional to Z. Means R is inversely related to Z. Means as Z increases, as the atomic number increases, the radius decreases. That's it. Energy is calculated by using the formula minus RH into RH divided by n square. This is for hydrogen atom. आता Z square कधी घालणार? For higher atoms. For hydrogen atom. What is RH? Note, it is no doubt Rydberg's constant, but एनर्जी आहे, त्यामुळे त्याची व्हॅल्यू, स्टुडंट्स एक पॉईंट सांगते तुम्हाला, RH इथं टीचरनी 109677 पर सेंटीमीटर धरलेलं. Rydberg's constant is 109677 when you calculate the wave number, and Rydberg's constant is 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule if you calculate the energy. हे डिफरन्स पाठ करायचं. ओके. This is for hydrogen atom. It is E is equal to minus RH divided by n square. Now for higher atoms, higher atomic number atoms, it will get E is equal to minus RH Z square by N square. This is how you calculate the energy of higher atoms. Ends the job. Clear concept? For today, I will stop. We'll continue with physics tomorrow. Bye.